Hello, amazing traders, and welcome back once again. This is raw price action reading for today analysis. This is raw price action reading for good analysis. Without wasting much of our time, let's quickly dive into today's analysis. Gold has been able to form higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low since January 31st. And since then, market has been buying consistently. And as a result of that, it trading it seems a little bit hard because this is daily time frame. Market hardly pull back. Market was just moving step by step, steady by step. And as a trader, one of the things you must do is to find a way. Always a setup is the best setup to enter anytime you want to enter market. Not just because market is buying anytime or it is selling. It's because you must not learning to be the right habit is one of the characteristic of a profitable trader. You must learn to build right habit. Without right habit, you will not be profitable. And right now, this is good analysis on 4-hour time frame. And market has been pulling back from here. But in order to know the perfect way to enter this market, it's simple as ABC. The first thing I did was to plot my key level. Then the second thing is to draw my trend line, because trend line is one of the most effective overlooked tool in this market. Now, as you can see now, pulling out my trend line gives me what market is doing immediately without rushing in, because you need to know who is in the market. Is it the seller that are in the market or the buyer? So now that I've been able to draw my trend line, the next thing I will do is to plot my minor key level. Yes, I need to plot my minor key level. And let me use this as a straight line. Now, these are my minor key level. So let me go to 4-hour time frame to see what market is doing. Exactly. Now you can see that in 4-hour time, in 1-hour time frame now, market reached this key level and it bounced back. But before you jump in anytime, before you jump into the buy side, let me bring out my Fibonacci key level. Now, this is Fibonacci key level and markets bounce back at 0.618, which is the previous support level. So, which means that both of them are correct. But in order to avoid market manipulation, because you can decide to enter market, buy here, and market can come back, break this key level, and continue the sell side. So the best form of perfect entry in order to know what this market is doing right now is not to jump in. It's just to bring out simple key level. This is another trend line. This counter trend line will help you to avoid immature trade. Yes, because you can decide, market can do anything right now, because this market is at golden key ratio, which is 50% of Fibonacci. So market can decide to trick a lot of traders thinking that the market is already buying, and it will empty the market again as much as possible. So to avoid market manipulation, so the best thing is to draw this counter trend line, because if market can break this counter trend line and retest, that will be a perfect entry setup. Yes, because if market can break this key level, that would be a good entry for buying side. But if market could not break this resistance level, it simply means that this sell side will hold. But we can't know yet. That is why patience is needed as a trader. One of the most important skill you must possess, as I usually say, is patience. You need to be patient. You cannot just click buying and sell button every time. You must be patient to understand what this market is doing. Once you can understand what market is doing, so you have to be patient to understand which direction market is going. Yes, so having that patience is also a skill. Missing out is also a skill because it's better to miss out a trade than to enter a trade and you enter stop loss. Is so cycle of trade. Taking a trade is a trade. Missing trade is a trade. If your trade is stop loss, you are still trading. If your trade is take profit, you are still trading. If you miss out a trade, you are still trading. So because every cycle of analysis or every cycle of mistakes or right things you do in the market is a lesson. It lets market speak to you. Once you understand that everything market is teaching you is not just, it's not to punish you, but to teach you the ways of the market. That would be an exciting thing to do. So right now, this good analysis now, market has been, the level of market responsiveness at this key level will be extremely important. So if market can break this 0.05, which is the Fibonacci golden ratio, back to this zone, it simply means that this market will continue the buy side liquidity. But if market could not break this key level and market now come to this key level, then it simply means that the sell side will continue. And if the sell side continue, market has the probability of reaching this 2,800, in fact 2,790 hands, because in 4 hour time frame, because in 4 hour time frame is a major support level. Major, I mean major support level. So, but until that time, be patient, depending on when you are watching this analysis. Before you watch this video, just go back to your analysis. Go and plot the key level the way I did now and study what market is teaching you. Yes, this is 2025. You cannot afford not to be skillful. You cannot afford not to be knowledgeable. So market reaction at this key level, the psychology of candlestick at this key level will be a determinant factor of either to click buy or sell button. You cannot afford to click anything anyhow because it's better to miss a trade than to enter stop loss. Entry stop loss is inevitable, but enter stop loss in the right market. Don't follow impulse. So in 1 hour right now, this is now both the buyer and the seller are pushing this market seriously. So, but one of them will win eventually. How was I able to do this? So simple. I just bring out my trend line. I drew my trend line, duplicate it, turn it to channel, then counter trend line to know that, okay, when is this market is going to ready for entry. Then I brought out my Fibonacci key level. Then I drew my Fibonacci key level. And right now market is at the golden ratio of 0.618 and 0.05. So which means that that key level right now is a very, very sensitive key level. Market can do a lot of things in that space. And that is why you have to understand about psychology of candlestick too. In this psychology of candlestick now, this is buying and selling pressure. Both the buyer and seller are pushing this market. The seller wants this market to come down. Buyer also want to push this market up. So you as a trader, the best thing you can do is to fold your hand and do nothing. Let market play out. Let market ready. If market decide and market break this key level, now retest back, turning this support level to resistance, then we now have chance of entering this key level, and this will be a massive profit. I mean exponential profit. But market can also decide to break this resistance level, turn it to support, and at least this is 100% profit share of the market. So right now, market can decide to break this key level and retest. So this is 100% profit share. But out of the two, where market will go this morning. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click subscribe button. Drop your comment below. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.